Here's how you make double crochets go from this to this. Notice how there's not as many gaps between the double crochets. It's way more compact, but we still get the height of a normal double crochet, which is so nice. To do linked double crochets, you don't really need any special setup. You can just create a chain and instantly start working them. So you can see, literally, there are no gaps in our double crochets. So to start, I have a turning chain of 2 chains, and the very first stitch, we just want to do a regular double crochet. So you're just gonna double crochet as normal. But now we want to create another double crochet, but we're gonna make the link double crochet. So we wanna link the next double crochet to this first double crochet. I'm gonna say double crochet so much in this video. So we wanna insert our hook right here that is slanted on our double crochet. So we're gonna insert our hook right there, and then we're gonna yarn over and pull up a loop. And you can see this loop that we went into kind of goes horizontal. Then we're just gonna work like a normal double crochet, but this counts as your yarn over for the double crochet. So we have essentially our yarn over. Then we're gonna insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then you're just gonna yarn over, pull through 2 like a normal double crochet. But now this stitch is linked to this stitch and there's no gap in the middle, which is super cool. Then for the following linked double crochets, you insert into this horizontal bar here. So we're gonna insert the hook right there, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then we're gonna insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then complete the double crochet. So it's super simple, but we don't have those gaping holes like we did before. So insert into the horizontal bar, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. And that's literally all there is to it. And it's super nice, super fun. I really like using it for garments because you can get your garment done faster because you're working double crochets, but you also don't have those really large gaps in your project that are sometimes kind of annoying when you're wearing a garment and you have to figure out what to wear underneath of it because maybe the gaps are a little too big. And the last stitch, we're just gonna go right in as normal, chain 2, turn, and like I said, we always want to start with a double crochet first. Then we insert into that slanted loop right there, pull up a loop, and then go into the next one and continue like normal. And that is such a big difference from the first one I showed you. Now with linked double crochets, you can also actually work the foundation row of linked double crochets, which is really helpful. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna chain 2. We're gonna work the first one just like a normal foundation of double crochet. So you're gonna yarn over, insert your hook in the second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, then you're gonna chain 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2 once again. Now is when we're gonna start the linked foundation double crochet. So you're first gonna insert your hook into this loop here and yarn over, pull up a loop. Then you're gonna go into this chain at the bottom here, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. It looked exactly like the double crochet that we did, but this loop is actually coming from here, which is the whole linked part of linked double crochets. Yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2 twice, just like we did the normal crochet, but we're linking here. So once again, we insert our hook here, pull up a loop, and then insert our hook into this chain here, pull up a loop, chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2 twice. And you can see we have them linked, and we're making this foundation which is super nice. You don't have to make a chain and then work into that chain. You can just create this foundation of double crochets right away and also make it our linked double crochets, which is pretty cool. And here's what our linked double crochets look like if we stretch it out a bit. No more holes between the double crochets at all. It's definitely more compact, and it also looks super pretty as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped. Comment down below if there are any other stitch tutorials you'd like to see from me. See you in the next video. Bye!